Hello everyone, how are you today? Thank you so much for tuning in to this hop. This is a hop presented to you by Anchored in Crafts. She is the host of this hashtag Christmas in July 2024. And today it is the Deck the Halls inspiration. That's the inspiration for this project. It was our prompt. That's the word I'm looking for. So today I have for you a cute little notebook holder that I have made without dies, and you could use just a ruler and or scoreboard. So if you would like to make this project, please continue watching, and if you would consider giving me a thumbs up, tapping that bell for future notifications, and subscribing, and hopefully you are also subscribed on Instagram, and I will hopefully be seeing you on my Facebook. You will also be hopefully following Patricia's Anchored in Crafts Facebook group. That is where she is hosting this hop. So head over, make sure you're following, and I will see you to make this project. Today you are going to need cardstock, okay, and this one is cut at 7 inches and 3 1/4 of an inch, and we are scoring at 3 1/8, 3 5/8. Okay, I have matting pieces already cut to use, and I'm going to be using wet glue. I hope that you can hear me. It is really early in the morning, and I'm not trying not to be too noisy. So I got my wet glue. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and start matting all of my pieces. Let's see. I think this is the one I want. Yes. Okay, and this is 3 1/8 by 3 inches. How are you doing? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have started with Patricia, and you will be watching the other ladies. We are also over on the Instagram. This is a really quick project. Here we go. And I totally forgot to cut a piece for that inside there. I will definitely be doing that. Let's see here. I might use that one on the front. That would be really cute. Okay. And then let's see. Really quick project, and an awesome little quick gift to make and give. And this is a one and done, so you don't have to be too picky about it, right? And this is the back. So it's a good place to use a scrappy piece. Okay. And then, gosh, I blew it. I really wanted to use that. You know, let's see. Do I want to do that? Maybe I do. So I'm going to cut it down just a bit. And then I'm going to round both edges like so. Oh, that will be cute. There we go. And then let's cut a piece there. We need a little bit longer piece. Okay, really quick, I went ahead and cut a I'm gonna say that's about a 1/2 inch. And get the wet glue. Okay. And then I also need one for back here. So you don't even need to be super precise. Most of the time, if you can eyeball it, it works. There we go. Voila. Okay, and then I have this piece here that I thought would be cute, so I'm going to ink it up. And I will use some of this. It's just the vintage photo. Okay. Like so. Get some pop dots or, oh shoot, where did I put them? There they are. Foam dots. Dimension is always good, right? I hope you are inspired to make some quick gifts for friends or family. And I'm making this in pretty much real time. I only stopped to grab something or whatever. Okay. I was looking for something. There we go. Like that. And then Patricia gifted me some beautiful bows. Oops. So let's put a beautiful bow on. Let's see. I don't have my hot glue on. I think that's gonna work. And nope, it's not gonna work. Well, maybe it is. That's Barely Arts glue for you. Alright, and I really don't know why, but I want to put that there. There we go. And that did stick. Alright. There is the cover. Now I'm going to go and find a little book and we're going to pop one in. Okay, and then I happen to have these cute sticky note pads that I found on Amazon that are Christmassy. How cute, right? Oh, forgot my light. There's the light. Okay, and so what I do is I leave the backing on, okay? We're gonna open this one up. Gosh, is that gonna stick? It is sticking. Not really good though. Let's put a foam dot. Okay, there we go. Foamy dot. Like that. Much better. Okay, so we open this up. All right. And then I am going to place the glue right on the back because it's a one and done. Get that in there like so. You can even put a little pocket on this side because there is some extra room. Okay, but I'm not going to for this tutorial. Okay, so there we go. Here is my Christmas in July project, and here is the first one that I made, and they are fantastic to gift. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I will see you in the next video. Be safe, be kind, hugs, love you bunches. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is what my crafty mind came up with for this hashtag Christmas in July 2024. See you next time. Bye for now.